Then, ang sunod na nakalagay, dapat po tayo ay para pwede natin masagot. Okay, so, we will be discussing two key topics this afternoon. First is the Air Force Specialty Code, and of course, the RFD training program. Kasi nakita ko ngayon na most of you are wearing the all uniform. That one of your issues and concern is that wala pa kayong bagong video grade. Tama ba? Okay, so it's time for you to listen. Para mamaya, malalaman nyo kung paano kayo magkakaroon ng video grade. So, Air Force Specialty Code. So, malalaman natin, ano ba itong AFS? Sundalo na yun yung naaalala ko. Ang gusto ko lang yung title. The next one. Yan! Amusement! Tama. Amusement. So, ipapakilala ko lang po si Military Justice System. Ano po? Malinis, pasensya na kayo. Malinis yung nagawa ko presentation. Si Military Justice System po ay rules governing military personnel. Governing the conduct of military personnel. Ang military justice system lang po, siya yung nagpo-provide ng method kapag may personality, kapag Captain Billy Gomez ay hindi sumunod sa kanan. Anong mga batas mo kaya? Alam niyo po yung Articles of War? bumabati siya ng regular, di ba, sa training. Ito si BRI, Britannia Reserve Instructor, hindi yung nag-DCMT. Dinis niya, binublog niya, pinagsisipa niya.
Start natin ang instruction ngayon. Okay? We have the reference, the objective, the person. Pero, balik mo ulit. Okay? Para alam nyo, bakit ano yung kung ano yung silent ini-discuss mo? Ibalik mo. Yan o. AFRC Strategic Direction Plan 2040 for the Regional Reserve Units ng Philippine Air Force. Yun yung i-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon. Yan yung tutukan nyo ngayon. Kaya sabi ko, mag-report tayo today. At this moment. Next. Tandaan nyo lang yung AFP Strategic Direction Plan for the Regional Reserve Units 2040. That's right, that time na nandun na rin ako sa Reserve Force at magkasama lang tayo lahat. Okay, next. Okay, so kanina na-discuss naman yun, di ba? Yung 7077, then ang sumunod dito, binugtong ko na. Ano yan? Yung Defense Strategic Guidance. Saan galing yung pag sinabing defense, galing yan sa JAC. So, mabasa naman siguro niyo dyan. To have, diba? Kung di bang basahin, kung sinong very okay lang. Okay? O una, to have a touchable number reserve force for force multiplier. Mamilyon na kanina. Sizable force multiplier. Para dito sa HCDR operations, sa internal security, pero territorial na tayo ngayon, kasi binago na ng DND, kung hindi namin binago pa. Sinabi ni Atty. May. Then, dito naman sa AFP Reserve Force, di ba DND na tayo? Di ba alam yung DND? Sa Mindoro, sa Mindoro, ang tupos natin. Ang under niya yung AFP. Gumawa din para sa Reserve Force. So, anong focus niya? A more developed, capacitated, and strengthened Reserve Force. Again, focus, because dito kayo magpo-focus. Lista. Hindi na kayo kasi nasaktan ako. Kasi nakita ko yung taga video 6 na maraming naiiwan. Number 1, nakita ko sa ito po. Report, lista. Next, yung sa Philippine Air Force naman, kasi nandoon na tayo sa AFP, yung isa, sumunod niya na may authority yung Philippine Air Force na, di ba? Sunod Air Force Reserve Command. Sa Philippine Air Force, nandoon na tayo sa strengthened and integrated reserve force. Dapat may strengthen. Paano i-strengthen niya siya? Tanong. Ang ginawa muna natin ngayon, i-strengthen muna natin yung capability ninyo. Yung skills nyo. And that's why mayroon tayong i-introduce na yun na APC. Please make it serious on that APC. This lang. Okay? Para ma-integrate kayo. Yung dalawang word na yun, napaka-simple kung napaka-bigat namin ginawa. How many months? Almost a year. Bago lang nila ibuo yung mamay ipapakita ko. Dahil dyan sa Republic Act 77, yung Defense Strategy Guidance, yung Armed Forces, hanggang bumaba. Dito na tayo magpo-focus na strengthened and integrated reserve force. Tutukan niyo yan. Dyan lang yung gusto kong focus ninyo. Huwag kayo gumawa ng iba. Please na. Pabalik-balik yung sabihin sa inyo ito. Kalimutan na lahat. Ito na yung focus nyo. Please. Okay, reference pa lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, may direction na tayo ngayon. Noong panahon ko noon, may sinabi pa akong ganito. Hanggang absent na ako, di ba? Absent ng PCMC nyo, mag-UEDT kayo. After na UEDT nyo, ano gagawin nyo? Kasi magkakandak na lang kami ng CI mo. Di ba? Ano? Mag-pilot na lang kami kung mayroong schedule ng pilot. Pasensya na, puro nasaktan ako noon kasi kasalanan ko dito. It's because wala tayong direction noon. Stress pa. Totoo lang. Hindi ko lang ma-direct because I have no right magsasalita pa noon. Pasensya na, ngayon, palaban na ako. Alam nyo na, tandaan nyo na, dapat yun yung saan kayo unit i-integrate. Ibig sabihin, kung ang unit nangangailangan ng communication, nangangailangan ng engineer, yung tao, alam niyo yung tao?
Nakauna yan, nakabidyo na. Oo. Pumapatay na. May pagkapatay ng screen. Oo. Sige ako na. Nakauna dyan lang. Pag mag-stop, hindi ko doon, hindi na maikot. Dapat dito. Naman, kaya pumapatay screen na rin. Pag-record ako. I-record dito niya. Para makita ko sa pindot lang yan. Ayan, di ba patay siya? Pero record pa rin yung hindi may liwanag. Nakita mo? Di ba? Patay. Pero record yan. Pag mag-stop na, pindot lang yan.
Activities from yesterday to today possible. Again, welcome and laughter.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, we shall now proceed to the loading of rank to the newly promoted officer of the Air Force Reserve Command and the pinning of rank to the newly promoted enlisted reservist. Likewise, may we call on the Assistant Chief of Command Staff for Personnel, T1 Lieutenant Colonel Jose Luis L. Del Rosario, Philippine Air Force, for the reading of promotion order of the newly promoted officers of the Air Force Reserve Command.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of National Defense, General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines. General Emilio Aguinaldo Quezon. General Orders Number 732, dated 03 June 2024. Promotion. Pursuant to the provisions of Section 6 of the Republic Act Number 291, as amended, in conjunction with Republic Act Number 11709, as amended by the Republic Act Number 11939, and other relevant laws, the following named officers of the Philippine Air Force are promoted to the permanent rank of Captain, Officer-3, effective since 7 December 2023. First Lieutenant John Paulo P. Larisma, Officer-146707, Philippine Air Force. By order of the Secretary of National Defense, Official Arthur M. Cordura, Lieutenant General, Philippine Air Force, Acting Chief of Staff, signed Ramilo B. Trinidad, Captain, Philippine Navy, General Staff Corps, Acting General.
May we request the Commander Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Elpidio B. Tala, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, to don the newly promoted officers. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. At this point, we shall now proceed to the pinning of ranks to the newly promoted enlisted reservists. May we call on the newly promoted officers, Captain Giancarlo B. Larisma, Philippine Air Force Admin Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, to read the promotion order of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
Air Force Reserve Command, Headquarters, 5th Air Reserve Center, Brigadier General Benito N. Buen Air Base, Lapu-Lapu City. Office Order Number 7, dated 13 June 2024. The permanent promotion of following name enlisted reservists to the next higher grade is announced effective 01 June 2024. To the rank of Sergeant, AW1C Irene S. Panes, ILT 190256660, Philippine Air Force Reserve.
May we request again the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, to pin the ranks of the newly promoted enlisted reservists.
AQT1401448, Philippine Air Force Reserve. A1C Gregorio E. Manning, AKT1315451, Philippine Air Force Reserve. By order of Colonel Sevilla, Ernesto Tiago Jr., Major, Philippine Air Force, Executive Officer, signed, John Paulo Villarisma, Captain, Philippine Air Force, the Director for Administration.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to the newly promoted officer and enlisted reservists. Please be seated. At this point, we shall now proceed to the presentation of certificates of appreciation. May we request the Commander, Air Force Reserve Command, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force, to be assisted by the Commanding Officer, 5th Air Reserve Center, Colonel Alvin M. Sevilla, Philippine Air Force, for the distribution of certificates. The citation reads, Philippine Air Force Headquarters, Air Force Reserve Command, Clark Air Base, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. Certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to Mr. Alan Shane for invaluable support and services that greatly contributed to the successful conduct of Reserve Force development activities conducted by Air Force Reserve Command at Boracay, Aklan Island from 14 to 17 June 2024. Given this 17th day of June 2024 at Boracay, Aklan Island. Signed, Major General Ovidio V. Talha, Philippine Air Force Commander. State citation is given to Major Brian D. Hugo, Philippine Army, Task Force Boracay. DENR CENRO Boracay, to be received by Joannes S. Openda. Mega Parao, to be received by Mr. Rafi Cooper. Paradise Cable Television Incorporated, to be received by Miss Ophel M. Tabanero. Boracay Sun, Miss Goma Mahilo Monroe. We shall now proceed to the presentation of recognition. In grateful appreciation for its invaluable services that greatly contributed to the successful conduct of Reserve Force development activities conducted by Air Force Reserve Command at Boracay Island from 14 to 17 June of 2024. The citation reads in recognition of outstanding and dedication and invaluable contribution to voluntary activities. Their selfless service and commitment have made significant impact on our community and exemplify the true spirit of volunteerism given during the Reserve Force development activities at Boracay Island, Malay, Aklan. May we call on Staff Sergeant Richard Iyoyo, Philippine Air Force Reserve, First Sergeant, to receive the certificate. Thank you, sir. You may now be seated. At this juncture, we shall now proceed to the next part of our program, the Assumption of Command, Group Commander, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve. For the reading of relief and designation orders, may we call on Assistant Chief of Command Staff for Personnel, C1 Air Force Reserve Command, Lieutenant Colonel Jose Luis L. Del Rosario, Philippine Air Force.
Philippine Air Force, Headquarters, Air Force Reserve Command, Clark Airways, Mabalacat City, Pampanga. General Orders Number 16, dated 21 February 2024. Relief and destination. Number 1, relief. Captain Leymar R. Rebaldo, Officer -141057, Philippine Air Force Reserve, is relieved as Officer in Charge, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, 5th Air Force Wing Reserve, Air Force Reserve Command, effective 21 February 2024. 2. Designation. Major Albert E. Natividad, Officer -144320, Philippine Air Force Reserve, is designated as Officer in Charge, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, 5th Air Force Wing Reserve, Air Force Reserve Command, effective 21 February 2024. By command of Major General Tala, Official Henry D. Estoesta, further, Philippine Air Force, Masters in National Security Administration, Chief of Command Staff. Signed, George C. Angela, Second Lieutenant, Philippine Air Force Command.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations. Likewise, the newly installed Group Commander, 52nd Air Force Group Reserve, will now give his remarks and subsequently introduce the presiding officer.
Philippine Air Force, Headquarters, 5th Air Force Wing Reserve, Brigadier General Benito Eneguen, Air Base, Lapu-Lapu, 10 June 2023. Action Command.